Yo, what is going on, guys? So this video today is going to be showing you how to get free VC in NBA 2K26, and this actually uses a working locker code, guys. So this is actually going to supply you with 450,000 VC, and that would cost you around $100 US. As you can see, 200,000 costs around $50 US. Now this is actually a VC glitch. The reason I'm calling it a VC glitch is because this is a locker code that's not supposed to supply this much VC, but it does. I've been searching basically all of the internet, watching videos, and this is the easiest VC glitch for 2K26. Before I show you it, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. I've got my iPhone here. I know you probably play 2K26 on your PC or console, but use your mobile to obtain this glitched locker code. So you got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So you can pause the video and copy the address there, guys, but Crash Coupons is a game code website. I'm sure you gathered that, but yeah, they have hundreds of pages. So what you're going to want to do is search for NBA 2K26, and if you type it correctly and you're not dyslexic, you will navigate your way to this page. And as you can see, there are 4 verified coupons. One of these coupons is the VC one. NBA 2K26 450,000 VC for free. This is a currency pack containing 450,000 VC. Now, the reason I call this a VC glitch is because this code is only supposed to supply you like 1,000, but it gives you 450,000. So someone messed up in the back end. And basically, guys, you need to unlock your code. I've already done this, and these are limited codes, so I won't do it again, guys. It does take about 5 minutes, and it's a little bit annoying, but yeah, I think it's worth it. All you've got to do is click on Get Full Code. So you click on that button there, and you're going to see a new page, guys, and it tells you what you need to do. I had to complete a couple of free tasks. Like I said, it took me about 5 minutes, and then it redirected me back to Crash Coupons, and my 2K26 VC code was fully revealed here. And you can literally grab it from the box, redeem it in your game, wherever you choose to play in the locker codes page. And that is going to get you 450,000 VC. So that is the best NBA 2K26 VC glitch for 450,000 VC. Super fast. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys. But it is pretty easy if you follow the instructions. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.